Welcome back to my channel, and in this particular video I'll be revealing to you guys one secret method I use that works almost 100% of the time trading cryptocurrency on Binance, and I've used it to make massive profit. This method is a method that if you know how to use it properly, trust me, you're going to make a lot of money. Currently it's the same method I'm using to trade. In this method I'm going to show you how I get the cryptocurrency that is going to pump. One, how I know where to long and to short, how to test my strategy to know this coin is going to go up, when to take my profits. Everything is perfect. And that being said, let's head straight into this video. If you want to make massive profit on Binance, just watch from the beginning to the end. Now if you want to trade, the first place you go to in this my strategy, this is my strategy that works. You go to CoinGecko. When you go to coingecko.com, you go to coingecko.com. In coingecko.com, you go to the exchange, or you search for Binance. Right? I'm using my phone to record this. When you search for Binance, you're going to see Binance Exchange. You scroll down to Binance Exchange, right? Exchange is Binance. You click on Binance Exchange. This is where we are going to. When you open the Binance Exchange platform, I'm going to reveal something to you there. What CoinGecko is going to do is going to give you all the information about Binance Exchange platform. There's something you will do on Binance Exchange platform. So what you're going to do is, on Binance platform, you're going to come to market, right? When you come to the market, you check the market volume the last 24 hours. You begin to check the volume of trade that have happened in the last 24 hours. You search it, you will see BUSD, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, minus the popular coins. You look for coins that are not popular and begin to note them. For example, when you look at this is Dogecoin, this is SRP, this is Solano. These coins are big coins, so they have high market cap. You look for a coin that is not very popular. For example, SAND is not popular, SAND, so you can use this coin. Or you keep scrolling down, look at this Luna is not popular, so you take note. You can use Luna. That means all these coins, there's something about them this last 24 hours that is making people invest their money in these coins. Do you understand? Because when people begin to put volume of money on a coin that is not popular, it means there is something they know. There's an information out there, or there is a sign that this coin is going to go up. So the people don't just invest money on coins that are not popular just like that. There's always a reason. Let's use this particular coin, for example, this link. If I click on this link is paired to the US dollar Theta, right? You will see that they said the trust score is good. We estimate that this exchange pair has a good liquidity. Look at, they said 24 hours volume is 0.00%. That means this coin has potentials of going up. The next thing we'll do is we'll click on link. Since we have gotten the information we want from link, then we'll just go to our Binance app. If I open my Binance app, I come to trades, right? And I search for link paired with the US dollar Theta, link / USDT, right? You see that this link is minus 1.91%. I open it. When I open it, the next thing I do is I do technical analysis. I check all my indicators. Now, these two strategies we'll be using here is the Bollinger Band strategy and the Fibonacci. But Fibonacci is not on this my Binance app, so I can tell you how you take your profit. Under this Bollinger Band strategy, if you look below here, you realize that this particular cryptocurrency has gotten in under the 15 minutes time frame. That's what I'll be using. This coin has gotten to this point, and this is a reversal candle. This is a sign of a reversal candle, and this is a sign of a coin that is about to go up. So under this popular, you see this coin has come down very well. That means it is smart to buy in this area because this coin is going to go up. You'll be trading with the direction of the market, and you'll be selling off around this, somewhere around this yellow aspect, right? This will be a very strong place to sell off. The next thing you do is you confirm in the next one day, the last one day, and see what is happening. In the last one day, if you notice, you see that this coin has gone down. However, this particular 4 hours time frame is showing you that this coin is about to go up for a little while. So in other words, the 24 hours movement of this coin, the last 4 hours of this coin shows that this coin is going down. If you look at down below using the MACD strategy, the moving average, convergence and divergence, it shows that this coin will go down. However, in the shorter time frame, you are going to get signal that this coin is going up. Look at in the last 1 hour, there's a sign this coin is about to go up. In the last 15 minutes, there's a coin this coin is about to go up. If you check the last 5 minutes, you're going to see that there's a sign that this coin is about to go up. Look at this. This is a long wick formed down to show a reversal in direction. This one is facing up, this one is facing up, this one is facing up. It shows that this coin is going to go up for the next 15 minutes time frame which we are working with. We can be confident that this coin is going to go up, so you can put your take profit somewhere around this place for you to be safe. Then when you put your take profit, you can now go and buy this coin. You put the amount you want to buy. You can put the amount you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy from sports, but me, I trade on futures, and this strategy is for futures. Sports, you can put the amount you want to buy, betting on the money. But in futures, I'm already on this trade. I've done my setup, and currently you can see that the coin is already moving up, and I'm already in the position of taking profit. In the position of profit. So all you need to do is to put your stop loss. Don't be too greedy. Make sure you always use a stop loss, and always your leverage in this particular trade. My leverage is X20 because I have this strong confidence that my analysis are very right and this coin is going to go up. However, I advise you to be a safer trader. Trade from the place of from X2 to like less than X8, maybe X2 to X7, X8 maximum, so that you will not be liquidated out of the market and stuff like that. So that being said, that is the strategy I use. This strategy works all the time. I've used this strategy to pick a lot of profit. Probably in the next 15 to 30 minutes, I would have made massive profit trading with this strategy. If you find this interesting, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. And something I'll advise you is, if you want to trade with this on futures, make sure you trade using isolated. Don't trade on cross. Use isolated, so that if anything goes wrong, it's the money you're trading with you might end up losing a part of. But if you are using cross margin, you might end up losing all the money in your futures account too. So that being said, that is the strategy I use. If you find this content interesting, subscribe to my channel, so that when I drop interesting content like this, which I will definitely do, you would not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.